Let's go ahead and do an all-tone test here. AS363 is hooked up to my 276B-1120. The main reason why is because the sounder would take quite a while to die out because of the low current that it draws. Obviously my Kodak power supply is hooked up to the circuit as well. So yeah, 32 tones. Let's go ahead and get these started here. First tone is 970 hertz continuous tone. (800 Hz to 970 Hz alternating tone at a 2 Hz rate, also known as BS low frequency high low. (800 Hz to 970 Hz sweep at 1 Hz rate, also known as BS low frequency slow sweep. (970 Hz intermittent tone at 0.5 Hz rate. This is the Apollo Fire System's alert tone. (970 Hz to 630 Hz alternating at 1 Hz rate. This is the Apollo Fire System's evacuation tone. Next is 554 Hz 1 second to 440 Hz at 0.4 seconds. NFS 32001 French fire alarm tone. Next is 500 Hz to 1200 Hz 3.5 second sweep with a 0.5 second pause. This is slow whoop NEN 2575. (400 Hz or 420 Hz rather intermittent beep. This is the Australia AS363 alert tone, and yes, I misquoted in the last video. I meant to say AS363, but AS2220 also uses that tone, I do believe. (500 Hz to 1200 Hz temporal whoop. Australian AS363 evacuation tone. 550 Hz to 440 Hz alternating tone at 0.5 Hz rate. This is the Swedish turnout tone. (970 Hz temporal 3, also known as ISO 8201 low frequency. (2850 Hz temporal 3 tone, also known as the ISO 8201 high frequency tone. 1200 Hz to 500 Hz reverse sweep at 1 Hz, also known as din tone. (400 Hz continuous tone). 550 Hz at 0.7 seconds to 1000 Hz at 0.33 seconds. I believe I have seen this on some product guides called the safe sound. (1500 Hz to 2700 Hz at the 3 Hz sweep rate. This is the vandal alarm. (750 Hz continuous). 2400 Hz continuous. 660 Hz continuous, Swedish all clear tone. 660 Hz intermittent, 1.8 seconds on and off, the Swedish air raid tone. (660 Hz intermittent, 0.15 seconds on and off, Swedish emergency tone. 510 hertz to 610 hertz, alternating at 2 hertz rate. You'll see this sometimes labeled as the squashny alternating tone. (800 hertz to 1000 hertz alternating tone at 1 hertz rate. It's a slower version of the BS low frequency high low tone. (250 hertz to 1200 hertz sweep at 12 hertz rate. I think sometimes you'll see this used as a type of security deterrent tone. No, the microphone's not glitching out. No, the siren's not glitching. That's actually a tone. 500 hertz to 1200 hertz siren at 0.33 hertz rate. I'd call this a slow siren. (2400 hertz to 2900 hertz sweep at 9 hertz rate. You'll see this as the British standard high frequency medium sweep. (2400 hertz to 2900 hertz sweep at 3 hertz rate. (800 hertz to 970 hertz sweep at 100 hertz rate. British standard low frequency fast sweep. Sometimes you'll also see it called low frequency buzz. (800 hertz to 970 hertz sweep at 9 hertz rate. This is the British standard low frequency medium sweep. (800 hertz to 970 hertz sweep at 3 hertz rate. (800 hertz intermittent 0.25 seconds with a 1 second pause in between. I'd call this an 800 hertz beep. And the final tone is 500 hertz to 1200 hertz at a 3.75 second sweep with a 0.25 second intermittent pause. This is the AS363 slow whoop. Alright, this has been the video series on the GE AS363 fire alarm sounder. Rate, comment, like, subscribe, you know the drill, and I'll see you guys later.